Today we're going to be cleaning my K&N filter in my Volkswagen Golf. First thing we got to do is open up the hood. And then you're going to locate where your filter is, and mine is right here. These are pretty rusty. Hopefully they don't give me any problems. Using this kit here I got from Ryobi, but I'm using this hex bit right here, T25. That's the size that you need. And then I have this attachment here to go on my drill, right here. Okay. Okay, here we go. These are unnecessarily long. Oh my goodness. Okay, keep in mind here, I haven't cleaned this filter in 3 years, since the day I've installed it. I have never cleaned it, so it's gonna be a little bit dirty. Oh. Okay, it's not too bad, but there is dead bugs in there. That looks like a dead bee. That's another dead bug, and there's flies all over me. That's not too bad. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad for 3 years, but it's not too bad. I thought it'd be much worse. So what I'm gonna do is just wash it and then let it dry by itself. And I'm not gonna put any oils on it. I know you're supposed to, but I'm just gonna leave it as is. Give it a nice light rinse and then let it dry off naturally. It's looking pretty good. Just gonna get some more stuff out. Everyone probably already knows this, but you can create higher pressure by putting your thumb over this. And then instead of it just being a light wash, you have a high pressure wash. I wouldn't say it's high pressure because then my thumb would probably come off. So it looks like I got most of the big pieces out. I'll let it dry. Gonna fan it out a little bit, just so it dries a little bit faster, so I'm not waiting all day. And while we're here, you can see that we're almost at a minimum on our coolant. But this is for Audi, Volkswagen, and Porsche. So I have the same car as a Porsche, basically. It's basically what I'm saying. The gas has come out. What I'm noticing on Volkswagen is that a lot of things are plastic. Oil filter, plastic. The oil pan, plastic. Everything's plastic. A couple hours later, after it has dried up, it looks brand new. Now we just gotta put it back in. And just like that, that's how you do your K&N engine air filter. It was so easy. It was almost too easy. Don't let it intimidate you. You guys can do it yourself. I believe in you. You got this. Mwah.